In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app in HubSpot. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you step by step, helping you enhance your HubSpot experience through efficient app integration. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot user guide page. Here you'll find various tools and resources to improve how you interact with the platform. On this page, you'll notice a settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings panel in HubSpot is where you have control over various aspects of your account, from user preferences to integrations. By selecting Settings, you're just a few clicks away from integrating new functionalities into your HubSpot environment. Once the Settings menu is visible, look for an option labeled Integrations. Click on it. This section is crucial for connecting HubSpot to other platforms or applications, whether they're third-party services or custom apps you create yourself. Within the UI Integrations section, you'll need to click on Private Apps. This area is designed for developers and users looking to create custom solutions tailored specifically to their needs within HubSpot. Private apps allow you to have a personalized touch in how data flows in and out of your HubSpot account, which can be incredibly beneficial for businesses with unique requirements or workflows. After selecting Private Apps, you'll notice a button to create a new private app. Click on Create a Private App to proceed. It's easy to locate and marks the beginning of a more customized HubSpot experience. At this point, you may be prompted to input some details about your private app. It's important that you give your app a meaningful name and description. This helps in identifying the purpose and functionality of the app later, especially if you plan to create multiple apps. The naming should reflect its role or the specific need it addresses. You might also have the opportunity to configure additional settings, like determining which scopes or permissions this app will have within your HubSpot account. Scopes are particularly important because they define what data your app can access or manipulate. Once you've configured these settings to your preference, take a moment to review everything. Double-check that you've set the appropriate permissions for security and privacy reasons. When you feel confident that all is as it should be, finalize the process by saving or confirming your new private app. Congratulations! You've successfully created a private app in HubSpot, paving the way for improved functionalities and smoother automation that caters precisely to your organization's needs. Remember, continually revisiting and refining these custom apps can optimize your HubSpot experience even more, keeping it aligned with your evolving business goals.